Hi, my name is Trey, and these are my carports. I'm an electrician here in Longview. I bought these garages because I needed a place to store my equipment, my tractors, mini excavators, lawnmowers, stuff like that. This building is 10-foot sidewalls, and it's a 20 by 20. I left it open on both ends for some air to flow through. The sun comes up on over here, so it keeps it in the shade most all day long. That's why I did it the way I did it. The 3D builder is awesome. You get on the website and you just start picking your size, what kind of style you want, a carport or a building. You pick your size, whether you want to enclose walls, you could have 3 walls enclosed, you could have it totally enclosed. Anything you want to do, you can pick it and build it exactly how you want it. And no other website's like that. Allen's is the only one that does that, and it's just an awesome tool. We ended up needing a storage building later on, so we did this one here is 20 by 30. It's 10 foot tall, same as this one, same roof style. I picked the blue because I like blue, but y'all come on in and look at it. And don't be scared, there's something in here that don't be scared. It can't hurt you, okay? So come on in. That is the Chainsaw Massacre. Well, this building is basically just a storage building. We foamed it, we put an air conditioning in it to keep it cool. Just stuff that you don't want to leave out in the heat, that you want to keep nice. That's kind of what this is for. Pictures here, my grandma passed away in February, and she had a box of pictures, had all family pictures in it, so I wanted to get them up where I could see them. Pretty much anything we ain't got room for in the other buildings that I've got. Old bar stools, ladders, extension cords, coolers, Christmas lights, son's little Honda motorcycle, stuff we wanted to keep bugs and everything off of. We put it in here to keep it nice. Me being an electrician, we always end up with a lot of old lights, fixtures that people take down. One of the customers gave me this light, so I didn't have nowhere else to put it, so I said, well, we'll hang it out in the storage building. So some stuff is too good to throw away. You just don't want to throw it away. So I think later on I would like to add another carport on the front of this, is what I'm gonna probably end up doing. Well, Allen's Factory Outlet in one word, awesome job. Everything was perfectly planned out. I mean, it was great. I'll go back to them every time that I want to do a building, or if anybody asks, that's what I'm gonna tell them to go, is go to Allen's.